Welcome to day 17 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Being in a state of self-love and deep confidence is also recognizing what do you need in this very moment. Loving yourself is understanding the difference between what you need and what you want. You might want an ice cream, but you know that what you need is a refreshing, hydrating glass of water. Similarly, self-love is not only about indulging. Self-love is also about recognizing what is it that serves you right in this moment. Self-love is also choosing to make the right decision for yourself, pursuing bigger goals, saying no to distractions and things that will just hold you back from who you need to become. Self-love is also choosing to develop the deep confidence needed to pursue unbelievable goals. Goals that are bigger than your imagination. You choose the deep confidence to become the very person of your dreams. Now sit comfortably. Allow your shoulders to straighten and allow your back to be straight up. Lift your chin up to the sky and imagine the powerful confidence shining on top of you like a beautiful, wonderful cloud. As you raise your shoulders, your neck, your chin higher and higher, you feel this confidence growing within you with every single breath that you take. This wonderful cloud, you realize, is within. You feel a deep sense of presence and confidence. Now, as you go deeper into meditation, you start seeing the images of the person you want to become. It's becoming clearer and clearer. You see, you feel, you enjoy, you imagine. You are certain that this person who is so close to you is actually you. You feel the confidence in your body, in your heart, in your blood, in your face, in your neck, in your shoulders, in your hands. You are confident. As you go deeper into the meditation today, allow this thought in your mind. I am confidence. I am confidence. As you slowly start coming back to the room you are in, check in with yourself. who exactly are you in the very spot that you're sitting? Are you the same person that went into the meditation? Or do you feel more like the person you wish to become? Understanding that the two are not separate. Understanding that there is no gap of time or distance between the two will allow you to create the shortcut of you becoming the person of your dreams in this very day. Now take a deep, cleansing breath in, inhaling the confidence, the presence, the intention, and a deep breath out, exhaling any doubts, any fear. Inhale deep confidence. Exhale peace. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.